Rifleman, as your proud Colonel-in-Chief, I feel deeply honoured to be standing here today at your home in Moss Park Armoury, following the footsteps of the late Queen Mary and Princess Alexandra. Cela est pour moi un grand honneur que d'être parmi vous aujourd'hui, et j'espère que cette visite sera la première de plusieurs rencontres avec vous, les membres de mon régiment. Since my appointment in 2010, I have looked forward enormously to this moment, when I can personally experience the professionalism and proud history of this great regiment. It has been a huge pleasure for me to meet so many serving soldiers, their families, and many veterans here today. And it's quite clear that your desire to serve Canada and uphold the standards of the Queen's Own Rifles is second to none. You are a regiment with a long and hugely respected history, 152 years, which I believe makes you the longest serving infantry regiment in Canada. Whether holding the line as part of the 1st Canadian Division in the hellish conditions of the trenches during the First World War, or landing on Juno Beach and reaching your objective of Bernier-sur-Mer in World War II. You have always covered yourself in glory, and your Victoria Crosses are a testimony to the courage and legendary exploits of the regiment. Now, to the families here today, I would like to express my deep gratitude for the unwavering support you have given your sons and daughters, your brothers and sisters, your fathers and mothers, your husbands, wives and partners, and for keeping the home fires burning whilst your loved ones are deployed elsewhere. For the relatives of the 76 soldiers who deployed in Afghanistan, it must have been a particularly worrying time, and I'm greatly relieved that all these soldiers return without sustaining serious injury. Now, as the daughter of a highly decorated World War II hero, the great-great-great-granddaughter of a Canadian Prime Minister, Sir Alan McNabb, and Royal Colonel of 4 Rifles, a British regiment closely allied to your own, I feel very much part of your regimental history. So please remember how much my association with you all as your Colonel-in-Chief means to me, and what interest, concern, and pride I have in all you do. Thank you very much.